There is a time. There is a time before you know how the weather will be and how the soil will respond. There is a time before you know if this birth will go well and if it will be a male or a female. There is a time before you even envision new challenges ahead. There is a time before you know if the hard work in the fields will pay off. But you are sure the land will continue to produce. The rain will continue to fall. Your cows will continue to give you their milk. Yes, there is a time. And then you do what you do best. You just farm. You just plant, as your fathers did. You just herd your cattle, as your fathers did. And then you feel the pride, the satisfaction of the job done, creating value for the next generation, because you are part of something important. You have a superpower. You grow food for your community. You are part of Massey Ferguson's new era. It feels smart, feels connected, feels straightforward, feels dependable and sustainable. Feels like something made only for you. Something born to farm, because you are born to farm. Welcome to Born to Farm from Massey Ferguson. Welcome to the biggest world premiere ever made with and for farmers. Live in the fields of Picardy, France. Thierry Lot.
Good morning, good afternoon or good evening, depending on where you are in the world. Welcome to everyone joining us online today for our Born to Farm event. The celebration of farming with those who are born to farm. Farmers, contractors, dealers, MF employees and journalists. All those who do not stop because they are tired, but because they got the job done. A very special day for Massey Ferguson, as we are bringing new Born to Farm smart machines and digital services. Wherever you are, you can share, like, and of course, ask live questions to our MF experts. One of the reasons why I love Massey Ferguson so much, it's because we are, at the origins of the brand, a family company, Born to Farm, that is passionate about helping other family companies like yours to succeed. I mean farmers and dealers. This is our purpose. Working together, we are born to farm. Born to farm. Think a bit about it for a second. This is bringing something that makes a lot of sense compared to any other job. It contributes to produce sustainable and quality food for a growing population. And today is a great day. We've been looking forward for quite some time. Today we will continue to make the MF new era for farming coming alive, coming true. And everything we do at Massey Ferguson is farmers focused. And I would say we are fortunate to know a lot of farmers and customers personally. They keep telling us that they want a fully personalized experience with us, machines and services, answering their individual needs, a close relationship with their dealer, and as well, a very direct access to the brand. And as farmers are at the heart of everything we do, it is time to celebrate the next smart machines and digital services from Massey Ferguson, designed and built for farmers and with farmers. You could think that these 7 new products and services we are about to show you are the stars of this event. They are definitely not. Farming and farmers are the stars. Today, you will see from yourself that we are looking to build on that, delivering what our brand promise is, meaning delivering pragmatic innovation and technologies making farming operations easier and more profitable, simply being closer to our customers. You may wonder why we are here in the fields and not in a fancy indoor studio with spotlights, bells and whistles. Machines are like farmers. They are born to farm, so they have to be in the fields. I'm very close to farming myself and spent 32 years in the farm machinery industry with Massey Ferguson. And I am convinced that what we are going to present to you today will resonate in the entire world. Talking about Massey Ferguson's global footprint, it's with a real pleasure that I am now welcoming Francesco Muro.
Thank you, Thierry, and hello everybody also from my side. BornToFarm embodies our vision to bring a whole new era of smart machines and digital services, straightforward, dependable, globally. Massey Ferguson is a truly global brand, with more than 170 years of history and with customers in 170 different countries around the world. An MF team of more than 12,000 BornToFarm people working with and for farmers. Thierry mentioned that at MF we are a true family, but one very important family member couldn't be with us today in person, and he wanted to welcome you all in this unique event. I am delighted to welcome virtually someone who has a deep connection with the Massey Ferguson brand, and he is one of the key driving forces behind our global Farmers First vision, and his name is Luis Felli. Bom dia, Luis. Bem-vindo, tudo bem? It seems you are in the field too.
Hello, Francesco. Hello, Thierry. Many thanks for the warm introduction. I am thrilled to be here today in the BornToFarm event. I am here now in the cornfields in Brazil. We're celebrating today the 60th anniversary of Massey Ferguson in Brazil. It is a great honor to be here this day. It is a great honor to be here as part of the Massey Ferguson family. So far, I did not have a chance to go to Europe because of the travel restrictions, because of COVID, but I look forward to the time soon that I can get to know our farmers, our customers in Europe. Once again, I want to thank you to be with us today. I think it's a great opportunity to see all the new things Massey Ferguson is doing. And again, I want to thank Thierry and I want to thank Francesco for inviting me over. It's a privilege to be here on the BornToFarm event. Thierry, back to you.
Thank you, Luis. This transformation comes down to leveraging our greatest strengths, the trust and scale we built with our customers globally, to take our full line of products to a whole new level. Straightforward and dependable machines, smart features, digital solutions, of course, all backed up by talented experts and dealers you know, from the Massey Ferguson name you trust.
Let's discover now how MF arrived at this vision. As Luis just said, farmers are at the center of everything we do, but all farmers are different. All farms have different needs, and they need the products and services tailored for their own businesses. Our approach to BornToFarm smart machines and digital services leverages our broad and diverse customer base, which enables us to include since day one in our projects all customer requirements, always considering the long-term trends occurring in our industry, such as Agriculture 4.0, the European Green Deal, and sustainability. This farmer-first approach is central for our engineering department. It is exactly how we have approached our new developments. And this is equally important also for our marketing department. Now, let's deep dive together into this with another important speaker, Jérôme Aubrion. Hello, Jérôme. Glad you are with us today.
Thanks, Francesco, for the warm introductions. Indeed, our prime mission is to deeply understand our customers' needs and challenges to anticipate big change happening around us in order to create pragmatic innovations that help farmers being successful. Through Voice of Customers workshop, we get real feedback on the issue and the challenges that farmers are facing and how they make decisions about their key area of their farming practices, connected services, and conversions when they are making their machine investment. At Massey Ferguson, we are born to farm and we love create things that you ask for. We got 3 farmers out there who share our mindset and we invited them to tell us what they're expecting from the brand. First, we got Mario Melano, our dairy farm from Italy.
I am BornToFarm, sono nato per l'agricoltura. Da Massey Ferguson mi aspetto delle macchine molto più mirate per la mia azienda, perché non è detto che le macchine che vanno per l'azienda di mio vicino possono andare bene per la nostra, ad esempio sistemi GPS o quant'altro. Non voglio pagare delle cose che a noi non servono, a noi servono delle macchine affidabili con bassi costi di gestione. Purtroppo i margini delle nostre aziende sono sempre minori. Poi una cosa che ci serve anche sono macchinari da fienagione per produrre del buon cibo per i nostri animali.
Thanks, Mario. Then we got Xavier Thomas, our mixed farm from France.
Je suis born to farm, né pour être agriculteur. Les 3 attentes pour mon tracteur, c'est un tracteur pour m'occuper de mes 100 vaches, mes 150 genisses d'élevage, qui soit le plus confortable possible pour les longues journées de travaux dans les champs, une ergonomie et forcément une large visibilité avec le chargeur, puisque pour curer nos stabus un peu étroites, charger le bol, et il nous faut une large visibilité. Deuxièmement, il nous faut un tracteur à faible coût, puisque aujourd'hui dans nos exploitations laitières, les marges sont très réduites. Notre concessionnaire répond à nos besoins. Il ne fait pas que nous vendre du matériel, et il est comme le vétérinaire. Notre vétérinaire ne nous vend pas que des médicaments, il nous vend des services. Et aujourd'hui, c'est ce qu'on recherche avec ce concessionnaire Massey Ferguson, c'est de répondre à nos besoins.
Last but not least, we got Guy Turner, our arable farm from England.
I was born to farm. Machinery costs are a significant part of my business and I need to make sure that I'm getting maximum value for money. I am happy to pay for a well-made quality product, but for that I need maximum performance, long-term reliability and low cost of ownership. As a farmer, I expect technology smart machines and services to help me lower costs and maximise business potential. I want to be able to transfer data and use it to make profitable decisions to help increase the bottom line. To me, soil condition is paramount and I want to be able to operate in a sustainable way. I need a machine that is smart, interactive and adapts to my needs seamlessly. I want a zero-distance relationship between my dealer and manufacturer.
This is really the demonstration of what BornToFarm means for Massey Ferguson. Clearly understanding customer needs and teaming up with them to design our solutions around their needs. Thierry, I think it's now time to stop talking and start the most exciting part of our event.
Are you ready? No more waiting, because Massey Ferguson is here today not only to surprise you, but to provide you with the solutions that you need. You will now see these fully rejuvenated BornToFarm smart machines and services tailored to answer global farmers' needs. And what a better place to present you these machines where they have been designed in our Massey Ferguson Global Center of Excellence for Engineering and Manufacturing, at a stone's throw from the Beauvais factory.
BornToFarm, new products tailored for you, the brave. Wow, am I seeing double today?
No, Jérôme, you are not. At Massey Ferguson, we always adapt our offer to every type of farmer's need, with versatile tractors that deliver exceptional efficiency.
I think that the M range perfectly embodies our approach to develop simple and practical yet efficient machines for our customers.
Absolutely. The MF 4700M and MF 5700M series are made to deliver high performance, while being straightforward, dependable, with low cost of ownership. With their robust design and choice of powers, from 82 horsepower to 135 horsepower, these new tractors are versatile workhorses.
Yeah, but hold on, Guillaume. Mario Melano from Italy is already using the MF 5700M, so let him tell us about his own experience. Our Italian product specialist, Claudio Bogoni, is together with Mario on the farm. Claudio, how are things?
Ciao, sono Mario da Rivarolo Canavese, Piemonte.
Ciao Mario, so che hai preso questo MF 5711M. Quali trattori hai sostituito nella tua azienda agricola?
Non abbiamo sostituito nessun trattore, abbiamo aggiunto una macchina al nostro parco macchine.
E in questi primi 5 mesi quali sono state le principali impressioni che ti ha dato la macchina?
Siamo veramente soddisfatti, la macchina è molto versatile, una cabina molto spaziosa, ampie porte per salire, ammortizzata, cofano basso, stretto, molta visibilità.
E per quanto riguarda la trasmissione, ho visto che hai preso la versione con il Dyna 4. Per questi trattori è anche disponibile la 12+12. Sono tutte e due trasmissioni comunque che ben conosciute per Massey Ferguson, molto affidabili. Quali i principali motivi che ti hanno portato ad acquistare una versione Dyna 4?
Ma abbiamo acquistato una versione Dyna 4 perché è un cambio robotizzato e a fine giornata alleggerisce molto il lavoro, lo stress dell'operatore.
Ma penso che questo non sia tutto.
No, una cosa che ci ha colpito molto è il discorso della leva Power Control, che solo Massey Ferguson ha.
Esatto.
E questa ci dà la possibilità di mettere le 4 marce avanti, le 4 marce indietro e fare il neutro e inversore, okay. Tutto con una leva sola.
Sì Mario, per quanto riguarda la versatilità di questa macchina, diciamo che c'è la possibilità di avere il sollevatore anteriore, sollevatore posteriore con sforzo controllato elettronico, fino a 100 litri al minuto di portata idraulica, 3 distributori posteriori meccanici, sì, tutta una serie di dati che adesso diamo ai nostri clienti finali. Però fammi capire, queste funzionalità quale valore aggiunto danno poi nel tuo lavoro quotidiano?
Sì Claudio, guarda, questa macchina è molto versatile, col discorso del solatore anteriore, noi per esempio d'inverno facciamo sgombero neve, seminare sotto rotopresse, macchine che oggi comunque chiedono delle portate d'olio importanti, questa macchina le soddisfa.
E non dimentichiamo che è un 4 cilindri,
c'ha un motore
115 cavalli.
Che ha molte prestazioni.
Ok. E per quanto riguarda col caricatore frontale?
Col caricatore frontale è un'ottima macchina con il discorso del tetto vision e del neutro con freno,
Okay.
che sono due cose molto importanti.
Sembra che tu abbia trovato il giusto livello, comfort, modernità, ergonomia in cabina.
Sì, sì, macchina bassi costi di gestione, moderna, ha tutto l'essenziale per lavorare bene.
E poi so che il concessionario Massey Ferguson ti ha dato anche la possibilità di provare prima la macchina.
E quello è stata una cosa molto importante, avendola provata, grazie a voi che siete venuti nella mia azienda a farmi provare la macchina.
Sì Mario, in effetti negli ultimi anni Massey Ferguson ha proprio adottato questo approccio, in particolare con l'MF Experience, essere sempre più vicino ai clienti per dare macchine semplici però all'avanguardia, a distanza zero, per rispondere al meglio a quelli che sono le richieste poi del cliente finale e dare il prodotto in linea con quanto poi il cliente finale richiede.
Sì, devo ringraziare il concessionario e Massey Ferguson che mi hanno dato l'opportunità di provare la macchina. Vi auguro da Rivarolo Canavese un buon evento a tutti.
Thanks Mario for this positive feedback. We've still got a few minutes to provide some more information on these two series. So Guillaume, in a nutshell, what are the main benefits of the new MF 4700, 5700M for farmer business?
First of all, their affordable dependability, great fuel economy and low running cost, combined with perfect visibility and quiet operation thanks to the advanced engine and all-in-one after-treatment system. The low operating costs are also ensured by the easy maintenance of this system and our MF Care contract packages. Second point, the versatility. Whatever your needs, you can make the tractor your own, choosing two-wheel drive or four-wheel drive. The MF 4700M is available in platform or cab version, with the easy-to-use synchronized 12x12 or highly efficient Dyna2 semi-power shift with clutchless changes, Mecha Shuttle or Power Shuttle. The MF 5700M series is also available with the renowned Dyna4 transmission that delivers class-leading, simple and convenient control.
And what about the versatility needed for several applications?
With up to 65 liters per minute hydraulic flow and 3,000 kg rear linkage capacity, the MF 4700M series handles a wide range of heavy-mounted implements with ease. The MF 5700M series can count on up to 100 liters per minute combined flow hydraulic system with free flow return and an impressive maximum lift capacity of up to 5,200 kg with electronic linkage control. Then, thanks to the high hydraulic flow, the 360-degree visibility, and the maximum maneuverability also given by the factory-fitted loader subframe, fully integrated into the overall tractor design, these series are also a perfect tractor-loader combination.
And last but not least,
the comfort of these ranges. They are easy to use with clever ergonomic positioning of power shuttle, power control levers, and useful brake to neutral. An engine memory button increases comfort during field application. And they also have the most spacious and welcoming operator environment in the sector, with a pillar-to-pillar width of 1.3 meter. And in option, the cap suspension on Dyna 4 models. Jérôme, we also remind our customers that these models are available with trailboard tires for more comfort with better stability, a better traction and less soil compaction. The short wheelbase of the MF4700M allows the best-in-class maneuverability on the market, with the association of the trailboard TM600, which combines extreme lightweight with outstanding strength. You get the perfect tires for loader tractors, high load, low compaction, high lifetime, and always a good self-cleaning.
Thanks, Guillaume. And now, let's see the series in action. Really amazing. Let's now talk about the 4700M and 5700M availability in the different regions of the world. In Western and Central Europe, those two ranges are available today. In Ukraine, Eastern Europe, the MF5711 is available in the Tier 3 model. It is unavailable in Russia. In the Middle East, the previous MF4700, MF5700 and MF6700 similar ranges are still available in Tier 3 or Tier 2. In Australia and New Zealand, only the MF5700M will be available from the fourth quarter of 2021. In the Far East, it is already available in Japan in Stage 4. Korean availability in Stage 5 will start in the fourth quarter of 2021, while in China, it will be available in the course of 2022. It is currently unavailable in the other regions.
Bene, ciao Mario.
Ciao Claudio. Claudio, ti volevo chiedere una cosa.
Sì.
Noi in azienda sai che ci servono molto le macchine per la movimentazione dei materiali.
Certo.
Hai delle novità sui sollevatori telescopici?
You read my mind. After 25 years of experience in agricultural telehandlers, there have never been more exciting times for the MF TH series. With a giant leap in performance, comfort, and ergonomics, the MF TH is completely transformed. This is not just an upgrade. This is a breakthrough. Check this out.
Wow, I'm glad to see the Massey Ferguson family have got a new addition with this completely new agricultural telehandlers, the MF TH series.
Indeed, since the origin of the brand, MF has always offered a full range of products and services to deliver tailored solutions to our customers.
And our customers can rely on 25 years of experience of lift efficiency, productivity, ergonomics, and comfort to all new level.
The 6 models of the MF TH series are more than ever designed to handle every job with ease.
You say design. Indeed, this great design looks not only new, but stunning.
You're absolutely right. The new bonnet now comes with a more dynamic shape, and the whole range now gets a new rounded shape and molded caps, with a new grey color outside and a new color inside. It is another step towards the neo-retro design.
You are right. The color inside is like the MF TH. It is convenient in a dusty environment, especially for telehandlers when farmers getting in and out of their machines all day.
And talking about farmers getting in and out of their machine multiple times in a day, I'm sure they will like the comfortable access with an improved door opening.
I also know the MF TH is well known for its visibility.
Farmers will immediately appreciate the best lateral visibility, which we've improved on this new series.
And how did we even improve it?
The new Stage 5 regulation was an opportunity to work on after-treatment components integration and provide components 25% smaller than standard on the market. That's why the machine now comes with a lower and steeper bonnet that also benefits on Tier 3 machines sold in less regulated markets. We also kept our unique asymmetric cab. As you can see, the rear right corner is still pillarless, so there is nothing blocking visibility. These unique features allow improvement to lateral visibility by 15%. The first visible point from the cab on the ground is only at 3.50 meters from the machine's wheel.
Well, that's useful when maneuvering inside buildings with tight spaces.
Yes, and last but not least, the new MF TH now comes with an optional rear camera with manual or automatic activation. Safety first.
Do all these features come with the whole range?
Yes, and the visibility on the 2 compact models is even better, as it features new folding protection grills, improving visibility by 52%, and an increased clean surface by wipers of 30%.
I see you may have some others with this new cab.
We can start with its dimensions, still providing a width of 90 centimeters from pillar to pillar, and the highest selling height with an improved 1.54 meters on standard cab, while maintaining a reasonable machine height of 2.45 meters.
It will be very convenient for tall farmers. And still, about the machine height, do the compact models still come with low machine height for low buildings?
Yes, compact machines still feature a low height of 2.10 meters with 20-inch tires.
Great! I see that many controls around you are new.
They are all new, but not for our MF range. As a power control, a unique Massey Ferguson feature, now also joined the new TH series. It allows shuttling operation, speed shifting, and going to neutral, which means a hydrostatic transmission stops the machine without braking.
But that is not all I see.
You will benefit from a completely new joystick, which can be fitted on the armrest, with a new high-specification seat, featuring pneumatic suspensions and heating. This new joystick features a new, very ergonomic shape, perfectly suited to the driver's hand. The second shuttle control takes place on the rear of the joystick, managed only by a finger.
Well, there are many features improving comfort and ergonomics. I can see several other new controls and this new display.
Yes, the switches have been relocated on the right side, with backlighting and a new color code. Black for lights and mirror, orange for powertrain, and blue for hydraulics. Quickly accessible and easy to recognize. The display is completely new, and easy to navigate. It is available in 5 or 7 inch. You can access all the machine settings, including radio and telephone.
Now, talking about performance, did you keep the high 190 liters per minute hydraulic flow on standard machines?
Operators can now set a maximum and minimum boom height limit. It allows the operator to push the joystick full notch while avoiding any damage on the machine and the facilities. With a 7-inch display, they also benefit from an auto-grab function to control their grapple or bale handler with just one overpress on the switch.
I would say these new automatic controls allow faster, safer, and more comfortable operations.
Yes, and to ensure high productivity with hydraulics, the MF TH comes with hands throttle to set a constant engine RPM and so a constant hydraulic flow, while managing the machine speed independently by pedal throttle. We keep the hydrostatic transmission to get this high independence between engine RPM and machine speed, so the farmer can get maximum power from the engine while driving, for example, at 3 or 4 kph without using the brake, which means less brake wear than with other kinds of transmission.
Great! Less use of brake is also a good point to reduce cost of ownership. And what about the improvements coming with the new Stage 5 compliant from 100 to 135 horsepower engines?
It features completely new torque and power curves, which are more constant and higher at lower RPM for lower fuel consumption. It also features hydraulic lash adjustments, avoiding manual valve clearance maintenance to be carried out. And we estimate this usually requires around 5 service hours every 1,000 hours. At the end, after 4,000 hours of machine operation, you benefit from a saving of more than 20 service hours, representing around 1,200 euros. Moreover, with this engine, all the components are easily accessible for daily maintenance, maximizing uptime.
Well, at the end, there are many new amazing benefits with this new series to reach new heights of comfort and productivity. Let's now talk about the availability of the MF TH in the different regions of the world. In Europe and the Middle East, MF TH is already available today. For low-regulated emissions markets, like Russia and Ukraine, where Tier 3 engines are still needed, the range is also available now. The same applies for Australia and New Zealand in Tier 3. It is currently unavailable in other regions. And now, let's see this new MF TH series in action. The new TH is outstanding. However, it's not the end, because we still have one more piece of news for you.
Yes, we still have one more. Massey Ferguson is very well known for medium, high horsepower tractors and combines. But we also offer tractors from 20 horsepower in the compact segment. Are you ready for more?
Here is the 1700M series, which was launched last year. So maybe you have already heard about this versatile machine. Adeline, Could you please explain the main operations of this range?
Indeed, Jerome. This is the perfect compact tractor for grand care, municipality operations, and small farming operations.
This is quite a wide range of customers with different needs.
Absolutely. And that's why the MF 1700M comes in 5 models and a wide choice of specifications. Engine power goes from 35 to 67 horsepower. And depending on models, platform or cabin are available.
Now I am curious. Could you give us more details, and especially about the 1765M we have here?
The MF 1765M is a new addition and the new top of the range. It's the most powerful and brings maximum productivity thanks to its 67 horsepower engine.
As we are talking about the engine, maybe you could tell us about the emission level on those tractors.
The focus on environment is exactly the same as the big ones. All models of the MF Compact range are fully compliant with the latest Stage 5 emission, making them eco-friendly for customers who are also looking for machines compliant with sustainability.
We have just launched 2 new transmissions on the MF TH, the Dyna 7 and the Dyna e-Power. Are those transmissions available on the MF Compact range?
Our customers have different needs, and that's why we offer them different transmissions answering their needs. This range is available with a mechanical transmission or a hydrostatic transmission, which are quite different from the transmissions fitted on the other MF tractors. Mechanical transmission is dedicated to small farm operation thanks to its performance. Meanwhile, the hydrostatic transmission is perfect for ground care.
Okay, could you tell us more about the cab and operator's comfort?
Despite its compact size, cab comfort level is similar to the bigger tractor models. The cab has been completely renewed to offer the same comfort level as any other tractor range. Ergonomics and overall comfort have been a strong focus of the new model's development.
Is it correct to say that the tractors are smaller, but the comfort level is as high as on the other MF tractors?
Definitely. The tractors are compact, but they come with pneumatic seat, ergonomic controls, and other features that provide full comfort to the operator.
The mowing application is quite unique to those tractors. Does it require specific features?
Yes, and that's why those tractors come with a mid-mounted PTO output to operate mid-mounted mower decks. And they also offer a high-performance hydraulic system which generates up to 48 liters per minute of total hydraulic flow, ensuring plenty of capacity to operate a wide range of implements. We are always calling this a compact tractor, but we need to highlight its strong lift capacity up to 1,600 kilograms, and that we have 2 models which offer front linkage to support all your needs.
Okay, Adeline. On MF standard tractors, such as the MF TH, we speak a lot about tire choice and impact on soil compaction. But I can see the tire choice is also very important on the compact tractors.
Absolutely. It respects the soil, and the lawn is also very important for compact tractors. They need to be very gentle when walking in a nice castle park or a golf course. And also, we need to mention that these tractors are perfect to work in low buildings, areas with restricted access, in different applications and weather conditions.
This is really a versatile tractor.
It was interesting to discover this new MF 1700M. What really surprises me is the link with the other MF tractors. Yes, they're smaller, but they offer the same emission level and same comfort level with the option to fit specific features for ground care application.
Correct, Adeline. This is a good summary. So let's now see the MF 1700M in action. Let's now talk about the 1700M availability in the different regions of the world. In Europe and the Middle East, MF 1700M is available in Western and Central Europe, but not in the other markets of the regions. In China, it will be available in the course of 2022. In the Far East, it is not available, but in Southeast Asia, the MF 1600E continues growing its market share since its launch last year. It is not available in North America, but MF does other specific compact tractors ranges. Check it out on our North American website. It is currently unavailable in the other regions. And now, let's go back in the fields to introduce a new range of digital services maximizing uptime, return on investment, as well as contributing to more sustainable practices.
What amazing products we are bringing to farmers. Thanks to all our employees who worked really hard during the COVID times to make it happen. We are now back in the fields and here they are, all around us. Brand new Massey Ferguson, straightforward and dependable, full line of sustainable smart machines is now reality. And in fact, from 2019 till the end of this year, 90% of our entire full line of product will be renewed. A fully rejuvenated tractor range from 45 to 405 horsepower, high specifications with the S series, and also with the medium specification called M series, providing you with exactly what you need. And now, extending our range of implements, introducing the new, comfortable, and even more productive, true agricultural telehandler. Stage 5 combines, straw workers and rotary. And by the way, also with our Agco's grain and protein division, we can provide grain operators with the last step of your entire crop cycle that are grain storage solutions. Equally, for protein production, poultry or pigs, Agco's Grain and Protein is building integrated solutions to help animal welfare through controlled nutrition, climate and space. For livestock or dairy mixed farms, our full green line of mowers, rakes, tedders, balers and wrapper ranges is providing high quality hay and forage nutrition for your animals. Nowadays, consumers don't only look at the price tag, but as you know, they want to have more transparency on where their food comes from and how it has been produced. Asking farmers to move to new sustainable practices, improving animal welfare, water resources management, using less pesticides and fertilizers is key. Farmers need to know that they are part of the solution in terms of sustainable practices. The point is also that you are more advanced than what people think, and they need to know. The overall concept of sustainability is broadly discussed these days. Francesco, can you tell us more about our approach to sustainable farming, and especially what it means for farmers, for dealers, but also for us?
Indeed, Thierry. The farmers' expectations raised earlier on are very clear. And our BornToFarm MF New Era is not only about product, but it's about the entire ecosystem around the machines. Services to help farmers to grow their business sustainably, maximize uptime, and lower the total cost of ownership. Remember Guy, the big, and Xavier, the specialist, were absolutely interested in connectivity and precision farming. Why that? because of lower inputs, increased yields, and maximize machine fleet uptime, with the results of lowering their environmental impacts, as well to comply for full traceability of all farming practices.
First, with Massey Ferguson Connect, our smart telemetry solution, we support farmers and fleet owners providing straightforward dependability. These predictive systems makes farming much easier to maximize uptime. Massey Ferguson Connect transfers machine data seamlessly through a secure cloud to the farm desktop or mobile phone app in real time, providing the machine location, the fuel consumptions, the machine conditions, and how it performs, allowing to make the most appropriate decisions to optimize the machine use and performance. Farmers can also give their consent to transfer data to a Bovee monitoring center, where our technical service team, as well as their local dealer, can identify a possible service or repair need to prevent any major issue to happen. This is what predictive maintenance is about, and it is clearly going to make a difference, as your fleet will be more efficient, as service and part availability will be managed remotely, as well as providing you with the courtesy units to keep you doing your job with your MF Always Running program, available in 8 markets in Europe, with 1,000 tractors available, just because you are a Massey Ferguson customer. Our Massey Ferguson monitoring center is primarily dedicated to better support our customers, thanks to the telemetry data collected, but also to support our innovation process based on the use of their Massey Ferguson machine. Massey Ferguson Connect is available as based on all Massey Ferguson 6-cylinder tractors, as well as on the Massey Ferguson idle combine with 5 years subscription included, and optional on all other compatible tractors and combines. Have you ever had a machine that smart?
It's incredibly smart, and even more than you think when it comes to precision farming solutions, such as MF guide, section, and variable rate control. Easy to set, track, or pivot waylines and edit prescription maps. These are all part of the new Datatronic 5 and Fieldstar 5 terminals, thanks to a brand new, easy-to-use interface. This will naturally reduce overlaps by 3 to 10%, with the results for farmers of less fuel consumptions, less working time and inputs, and reducing fatigue, while focusing on what really matters during the field operations.
As things as features are now quite standard, and farmers expect more and will need to know what this will bring to their business bottom line. So let's bring some numbers with a documented example done here in Nacos Futures Farm in Switzerland. You can see through the screen of farm informations, and here now the saving in terms of overlap reductions, fuel, time, and input leading in this farm on an annual saving of 5,000 euros. So, with a fully specified guidance and section control package with RTK corrections, with a list price of 16,500 euros, you will get a payback in 3.5 years. So now, to be sharp on technologies, what about data exchange, allowing farmers to document their tasks and transfer them to their agronomists, customer, or any of their trusted partners?
With TaskDoc Pro, all working data are transmitted wirelessly back and forth from the machine to the farm FMIS system and to trusted farmer partners via the AgriRouter Secure Cloud. This allows you to manage multi-brand fleets while providing access to your preferred partners, such as an agronomist. In this way, they can have timely data access, enable fact-based decision-making to improve efficiency and yields at your farm. All this will enable farmers to work on application maps, optimization of production processes, increase yields, and build strong documentation to be able to comply to local subsidies, including Agriculture 4.0, for example. For Massey Ferguson, the best technologies are the ones that are easy to use and provide strong value for farmers without overcomplicating the usage of our products. In other words, a pragmatic behind-the-scene technology.
Farmers and contractors will also love that a significant part of those smart farming and connected services are available as part of cost-effective packages, increasing accuracy and lowering cost of operations. I'm proud to announce the Massey Ferguson Precision Farming Package, including MF Guide, wellline assistance, 24 section and variable rate control, as well as the Massey Ferguson Precision and Digital Farming Package, adding up increased number of sections up to 36, the ability to connect to your preferred FMIS with TaskDoc Pro and AgriRouter service included. Oops, it looks like our monitor centers tells me we are running out of time.
For sure, Jerome, they will love it. These pragmatic innovations, precision farming, MF monitoring center, and secure data exchange are important steps on the journey we are making to deliver smart machines and connected services, enhancing farm operations productivity, efficiency, but also sustainable growth. Smart machines, through farmer-centered pragmatic innovation. Not all of you need these connected technologies. This is why we also provide simple yet straightforward, dependable products. With you, we are now in a new era of farming, and we continue to do it right, and if we stick together, meaning getting closer than ever, interlocking as the three triangles of our brand iconic logo, meaning farmers, dealers, and the brand, we will achieve great things, because we are all born to farm. We really have good reasons to be optimistic. Farming has never been so mission critical to produce food for the growing population. What we've shared with you today is what makes Massey Ferguson so unique in the farm machinery industry. Since close to 170 years operating with a purpose to serve millions of farming businesses globally, through them we are striving to make the world a better place, ensuring food supply security. It is all about making smart machines accessible to more farmers across the globe. And crucially now, our new machines and digital services will deliver straightforward and dependable farming experience, which can have a huge impact on farming's cost operations. All supported by a range of farmers' first designed features, connected to a secured digital ecosystem that provides a range of services to deliver actionable and predictive data that enables any farming business to make better decisions with 100% machine uptime, low cost of operation, and also sustainable profitability. So now, ladies and gentlemen, we've come to an end of this launch. Thank you so much for attending and interacting with us. If you liked what you've experienced here, Massey Ferguson's dealerships are open for you. In this preview, leaves you with wanting more, we have detailed product information of all the latest ranges available on our digital channels. Right after this stream, you will automatically be redirected to our BornToFarm on-demand platform. You will then have access to extra content on the products you've seen and many others. You will also be able to immerse yourself in our full product range using virtual reality as if you were behind the steering wheel. Last but not least, from October, you will be able to operate this whole new range of products in the Farming Simulator 2022 edition. Also, on-demand platform means as well that you will be able to book your own personalized demo with your local Massey Ferguson dealer right at your farm, in your fields. How great is this? Please, all, stay healthy, stay safe, and we very much look forward to seeing you all, hopefully, very, very soon. Goodbye. And now, my friends, let's bring these BornToFarm beauties for a spin in the field and get some job done.